evening, Mr. President.
Akiaria na andĩki a mohoro thingira-inĩ wa iregi, President William Ruto nĩ aroire kanya ga gũtarĩria bata wa rĩendekithia rĩrĩa rĩrĩ mbunge rĩgiĩ kuongererwo kwa magoti kũrĩ a Kenya na gĩcunjĩ gĩa 3% gũkinyanĩria kĩoneki gĩa thirikari kĩa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ.
I want to ask my countrymen and women, those of us who are employed, please, let us not hold in contempt those who don't have jobs or those who are not.
You say it's not a tax.
It is not a tax.
What is it?
It is a contribution you are making, because if it was a tax, tax, it goes one way. You never get it.
Athingĩrĩirie atĩ mũtaratara-inĩ ũcio igoti rĩrĩa menacio rĩrĩhũthagĩrwo gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ.
You don't think it is your business to contribute to the employment of the unemployed Kenyans?
Okay, it's the responsibility.
It is not your business.
Okay, hang on, Mr. President.
Who is Kenyan government? Kenyan government is me and you.
Hang on, Mr. President. You saw the mandate of the Kenyan people.
Exactly.
I worked hard for my money.
Yes.
You said it's not tax. But there is a bill in Parliament. If it's passed, it's legally binding. Why would I make a contribution for others to succeed? It's your business as the government. You are the head of state. You have the responsibility. You have the mandate.
That's why the Constitution gives me the power to tax.
But it's you who is leading the
government. That's why the Constitution gives me the power to sign things into law.
Okay.
So I am simply doing my job.
Ona atarĩirie mũbango wa thirikari wĩgiĩ kĩrĩa gĩcũngĩrĩirie ĩige ũrĩhi wa ngombo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere, akiongerera atĩ gũtirĩ mĩbango ĩringĩte ihiga ya ũrĩa megũkinyanĩria tabarĩra itiganĩte cia ũthii wa na mbere.
We have reduced almost 500 billion because I am conscious that we are not in a good place. I am also aware what is happening to other countries.
Hoka ni ndereti ĩgiĩ njoherera cia maguta na mũtu. President augĩte bũrũri nĩ woete mwerekera ũngĩatwarire bũrũri ũkombo-inĩ wa mathirĩ na ũhũthĩri mũru wa mbeca.
That subsidy was accumulating at 15 billion shillings every month. So when I came into office, I looked at it, and the one thing that I did that in retrospect was the right thing is to have an economic team around me. So we sat down, we went through the numbers, and finally we discovered that there wasn't actually a fuel problem. It was a misdiagnosis. The problem was an economic and much more a dollar problem.
Hoka nĩ ungumania makĩria rũhonge-inĩ rwa KEMSA orĩtie a Kenya magĩe na wetereri thirikari nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya gũtheria na gũthinga mathenya marĩa mahũthagĩrwo ungumania-inĩ wa ndawa na indo itiganĩte iria ihũthĩkaga rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũrigitani.
I don't want to speak about it now.
We will see results then?
Yes, you will see results.
Mr. President,
I want to give you my commitment. I will clean up cancer. Whatever it takes.
Mr. President,
whatever it costs, I will clean it up.
Kũrĩ arĩa makoretwo na ciũria ciĩgiĩ ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ wa president ndanaga kũmahe anja.
When you have elections, you have a lot of pressure. Sometimes you take out the pressure on food. And you have to do this and that, and you don't have time to go exercise, and sometimes you eat because you don't know when you will find the next meal, so sometimes you overeat. So I decided to cut it down because ile kibarua niko naye si kidogo.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.